fast-paced game of basketball requires skill and stamina. Becoming a top-notch player requires practice, practice, practice. Games can be won or lost on the free throw line, so it's important for players to be able to make this shot. It may seem simple, but with the pressure of the game and the noise from the crowd, free throws can be anything but certain. So what are the chances a specific player will make a free throw? The theoretical probability would be impossible to determine. Every player's abilities are different, and the techniques involved in making a free throw are more complicated than you'd think. For example, if a player's wrist or elbow isn't in the correct position, he'll likely miss. But players can get good at making free throws with practice and skill. One way to figure out a player's probability of making a free throw is by using an experimental approach. Divide the number of free throws made by the number of attempts. So far this season, number 35 has made 125 free throws out of 150 attempts. His free throw average, which is the probability of his success, is about 83%. So, the probability of him making his next free throw is about 83%. There's a very good chance he'll make it. But number 35 misses. It's rare that he doesn't make this shot, but going into this game, there was about a 17% probability that he would miss. His second attempt is right on target. Number 35 ends up making 3 out of 4 free throws in today's game. That makes his free throw percent for the day 75. That's a little lower than his success ratio coming into the game, but it's close. When a player attempts a free throw, his probability usually changes based on the outcome of the attempt. Adding today's numbers to this player's season total, he has made 128 free throws out of 154 attempts. It's 0.2% lower than it was, but still about 83%. With this many trials, adding a few has only a small effect. The more total trials, the smaller the effect of a few. If he were to consistently shoot only 75% from now on, his percentage would go down more. So when number 35 steps up to the line, the chance that he will make the free throw is still strongly in his favor, based on historical performance.